Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how you can create custom conversion for your Facebook advertisement. What is called? Let's start with defining what a custom conversion is. What is custom conversion? Custom conversions are a way for advertisers to define a conversion event for the purpose of tracking and optimization. Let me explain it in a better or in a simple way so you can understand it. Custom conversion is a way of you telling Facebook to notify you each time someone takes an action on a particular page or someone gets to a particular page on your website. Now, for example, if you're making sales and you're using a sales page, there's what we call the thank you page or the successful page, whatever you call yours. Usually it's called the thank you page. Now, on this thank you page, it's a thank you page is what you put after or what shows up after someone makes a purchase or someone takes an action, any action you want them to take on your sales page or your website. Now, if someone makes a purchase, it takes them to the thank you page. Once the person makes the purchase and it takes them to the thank you page, Facebook will notify you or will tell you that, see, someone just made a purchase. With that, you can count the number of purchases they've made on your website or the number of actions they've taken on your website. Now, it does not stop there. You can now use this custom, these audiences that Facebook or the data that Facebook has collected for you. You can now use it to remarket your customers. You can now use it to remarket those that have bought from you before or re-advertise to them and all that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create that custom conversion. It's a very simple process. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Joy Wawe. I create content online on how you can start your business and sustain it online. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe. Turn your notification bell so you don't miss out on the great content we drop here. Let's go into the business of the day. So you click. This is my ads manager. If you want to, this is your ads manager. I'm using a personal account for this. So I click. You click on all tools. Yours might be yours might be different. You might see the all tools at the beginning. So you just click on all tools. Click on all tools. It takes you to this place. You click on event manager. So it brings you to your event manager. This is where you manage everything that has to do with data on your Facebook or let's say your ads manager. So from here, you click on custom conversion, you click on this. If you don't see it here, you just go to this side of your screen. You click on custom conversion. So when you click on custom conversion, create custom conversion. So this is where you create the custom conversion. You have to name your custom conversion. Depends on what you want it to do for you. So you can say, you can name it the product you're selling or whatever. So I'm just going to give it the name of the account for this purpose. You can describe what you want is optional. Your main source. Before you create custom conversion, you must have created your pixel. I'm going to do a video on how to create your pixel. You must have created your pixel, which is your data source. So this is my pixel, it's already there. Then all URL traffic, yes. So you have to select your category. Depends on your the category for your campaign. So for me, I usually what I do is purchase because I sell physical products. For some people, it might be add to cart. because of the nature of their website. For some people, it might be an info payment, it might be an ad payment info. Maybe you want just whatever you want to pick here, depends on your kind of maybe complete registration. If you're the type, maybe you want them to fill a form and all that. But mine is purchase. Some people leads, but mine is purchase. So I go for purchase because I sell physical products on my sales page. So I'll go for purchase. And here it's what they want is there's a rule. It says the custom conversion must meet all these rules. So now it says you're going to use URL content. That means you're going to put your thank you page link, your thank you page site here, the link. That's what you're going to put here. Then you tell Facebook that anytime someone clicks or someone gets to this link, someone gets to this page, notify me. So I'm going to go to my website and get the thank you page link and paste it here. So this is my thank you page. Anytime you make an order from my website, this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to copy this. Then come back to this and click and place it here. So anything you purchase on my website and you get to this page, Facebook will notify me that a purchase has been made or an action has been taken on your website. So I click here, create. And that is all. Created my custom conversion. Now you have to look at it. It's inactive. You have to fire up this custom conversion. For some people, they just leave it this way so that when someone makes an order, automatically fires up here. But for me, usually I test it to be sure that it works. I go fill the form or go make the purchase or take an action on my website and wait for it to reflect here. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to take an action on my website. I will come back here to see the results. So guys, I just filled a form on one of my sales page and it brought me to this place. So let's go back to the event. Okay, this is it. So let's refresh and see if it works. So guys, this is it. We are back to this and as you can see now, it's active, showing active. That means the custom conversion we just created worked. It's as simple as this. It's not complicated, just straightforward. Copy and paste your thank you page and choose just copy and paste your thank you page, and that is all. So that is it, guys. I hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to give us thumbs up and a like. And if you're yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and subscribe, turn notification bell. See you next time. Bye.